gotta go over here.
All right, go ahead. Here's the Cool Trains of Montreal. I'm here with Elton, and we got a train coming through St Ambroise, really quick. There's Elton. And there you got the train heading westbound with a whole lot of tankers. Now I'm going to look down this way since I don't get this view often. '27th of January 2023 already. And when I left my house today, it was nice. Conrail. Look at that. Easily 30 years ago, Conrail was a big northeastern railroad. Now it's just a shell. Anyways, it was sunny when I left my house, and now here it is gray and snowing again. Yeah, that's Montreal weather for you. Not that much of a, you know, if you like what you have, or you don't like it, basically wait around an hour and you get a different weather. That's it. Minus 6 or 7 degrees right now. Wind is not too bad. Wouldn't go out on a bridge today. But yeah, this is kind of nice. There, Elton should be happy. He's got himself a tray. There you go. All these empty center beams. Now there is something fun about trains in the snow. If it was coming down a little harder, or you'd see some of the trains, hopefully some of these cars are going to have like some static snow sitting on them. I mean, so far this one's pretty clean, which is kind of rare. I guess we just had snow here in Montreal maybe like yesterday, heavy snow. So I'm kind of surprised how clean these cars are. They just haven't been sitting in a Montreal yard, that's for sure. There's one. Now, these are probably coming from Atlantic Canada, so the storm is on its way that way, I suppose. You know, there is a possibility of a train coming the other way. Because there is the track here, and this train could have a via train or something come directly above it, in front of it. And one thing I want to mention is that trains can come in the same direction on these two tracks, so if you're just seeing a train like this, don't assume that the other one will come the other way. It could come in the same direction. Be careful around railroad crossings. A couple of times I've seen bikers tempting fate and running these crossing gates. Not good. Gondola cars. Good long freight. Union Pacific, they've gone back to their armored yellow and putting the little symbol on there. That's nice. Classy. A long line of center beam cars, all empties. As always, a lot of people waiting. Here's one full of snow. Yeah, these look like they've been sitting around in the yard. Seven minutes. That's a good long one. And it's the end of the train right there. So unless there's not something coming the other way. There we go.